In the meantime, the Ministry of National Security says it has full confidence in the Firearm Licensing Authority despite the Integrity Commission probe into alleged irregularities at the agency. According to Portfolio Minister Dr. Horace Chang, he said the investigation completed in March examined allegations of corruption, improper conduct, and the issues surrounding the storage and award of firearms. However, he notes the findings did not recommend any criminal charges. He also says there's no evidence that firearms are missing from the authority's main vault. Following the report, he says a ministry team inspected the FLA's facilities. While officials identified limitations in storage space, they say systems are in place to properly track and account for all firearms and ammunition. Steps, he adds, are now being taken to improve storage capacity and disposal processes, including plans to acquire additional equipment to destroy weapons forfeited to the state. The minister has also directed the newly appointed board, chaired by retired Justice Glenworth Brown, to strengthen processes based on the Commission's final recommendations. He clarified that recent board changes are not linked to the investigation, but are due to the expiration of the previous board's term. Dr. Chang says the ministry remains committed to accountability and strengthening public confidence in the Firearm Licensing Authority.